Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Want to supercharge your plant growth without synthetic chemicals? Stick around because I'm about to reveal the top 3 organic fertilizers that can give your plants that explosive growth you're dreaming of. First up, worm castings, vermicompost, whatever you call it, it's pure gold for your garden. It's packed with nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. NPK, the big 3 for plant nutrition. Plus, it's teeming with beneficial microbes that improve soil health and fight off pesky pathogens. And let's not forget humic acids, they help your plants absorb nutrients like a sponge. Mix it into your soil or make a worm tea by steeping it in water for an easy liquid fertilizer. Next, we've got fish emulsion. This fast-acting liquid fertilizer is loaded with high nitrogen content. Trust me, your plants will love it for that explosive vegetative growth. It's also packed with amino acids and trace minerals that strengthen plant cells. Dilute it with water and use it as a root drench or foliar spray once a week. You'll see noticeable growth boosts, especially in seedlings and leafy greens. Finally, let's talk about seaweed extract. This stuff is incredible. It's loaded with growth hormones like cytokinins, auxins, and gibberellins. These hormones stimulate root development and overall plant vigor. Plus, they boost stress resistance to drought, pests, and diseases. Apply it as a foliar spray or soil drench every 2-3 weeks. Your plants will be stronger, more resilient, and produce bigger fruits and flowers. So, which organic fertilizer do you swear by? Worm castings, fish emulsion, or seaweed extract? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips.